Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to reset the Salesforce Authenticator. Let's get started. First, go to your website and search for salesforce.com. Once you're here, go to Login icon. A pop-up window will show. Click Salesforce so you can put in your credentials and log in. Once you're here, type in your username and password or you can log in with email. After logging in, you will be directed to Salesforce dashboard. Now, click on your profile icon. A pop-up window will show. Click on Settings. Once your settings load, go to Advanced User Details, then scroll down and look for App Registration Salesforce Authenticator section. Click on Disconnect, and your Salesforce Authenticator will be disconnected. Before disconnecting this, make sure that you want to disconnect the Salesforce Authenticator because this will remove the current setup. And that's it. You have disconnected your Salesforce Authenticator. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.